Good evening and welcome to lecture 24 of IE and I. That is AC motor speed control using phase control method. That is by using diac and triac combination. Here is the circuit using AC phase control. We can control the motor speed. Circuit consists of a series resistor R1, RC circuit which provides a gate pulse to the gate of thyristor or triac through a diac, and an RC parallel circuit connected across the triac, which is called snubber circuit. This snubber circuit protects the triac from unintended dV by dt turn on. Now AC phase control method using diac and triac is shown in the figure, in which RC network is a conventional firing circuit. This R and C. R is a variable resistor. RC network is conventional firing circuit for diac and triac during each half cycle of AC supply. As the voltage across capacitor triggers the diac, which sends a gate pulse and triggers the triac. By changing the value of variable resistor, firing angle for triac can be changed, which controls the power to the motor. The speed of motor N directly proportional to V square O RMS. E O RMS depends upon the firing angle of the thyristor. Now we know that diac and triac are both bilateral devices. That is, they work in both half cycles of AC supply, positive as well as the negative half cycle. So during the positive half cycle, where R and C, this is the time constant which can be changed. By changing R and C, we can change the phase angle or the firing angle of the thyristor or the triac. So by changing the firing angle or value of R, we can change the speed of this single phase induction motor. This is a single phase AC induction motor. So the speed of motor can be controlled by changing the value of variable resistor R or a potentiometer R. Thank you so much for attending my lecture. Keep sharing it with your friends and subscribe my channel.